Hello, great people. Welcome back to Global Happenings Today, a home of politics and report of different events. The New Year report or New Year message by the indigenous people of Biafra leadership has triggered a lot of reaction because of some of the instructions that they have dished out to all their supporters in Nigeria. Now, one of the things they said was that they have placed a ban on national anthem in southeastern schools. The people should not be allowed to sing national anthem again, but it should be Biafra anthem. And this has triggered reaction. A very famous group in the southeast have decided to react to this ban placed on Nigerian national anthem and also the ban on Fulani cows. Let's see what their position is in respect to this. But before we do that, if you've not subscribed to our channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you get notification anytime we publish. Apex Igbo Socio-Cultural Organization, Ohaneze Ndibo, has faulted the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB over the ban it placed on Nigerian national anthem across the zone. Has been reported that in its New Year message, the IPOB banned the Nigerian national anthem as well as consumption of non-native cows in the southeast. However, in a statement on Wednesday by Ohanese's Secretary General Mazi Okechukwu Izusoro, he cautioned that such an order would spell doom for the people of the region. Ohanese's scribe noted that the order will affect the ongoing diplomatic effort to free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Instead, the federal government might unleash bitterness on the southeast. According to them, he said this order is also nonetheless destructive to the campaign for the Igbo Presidency in 2023 and will give birth to avoidable military raid on all public schools in southeastern Nigeria with the ongoing Operation Golden Dawn. He declared that in order not to endanger the lives of Igbos residing of Biafra anthem in public schools remain prohibited, forbidden, and proscribed, as the Southeast is still an integral part of Nigeria. He went further to say that we cannot afford to mislead and misinform our pupils into trending into paths that will attract grave consequences for Ndibos. Ndibos should flout such despicable order of absurdity, as it will be the rationale for future deployment of military Tucson fighter jets to southeastern Nigeria. Izuzoro further stated that rather than the enforcement of Biafra anthem in the public school, IPOB should join Ohaneze in the promotion of Igbo language, cultural heritage, and values in all southeast public schools. This is the best way to get our youngsters to remain committed and imbibe the cultural values and heritage of Ndibos. He, however, expressed support for the ban on the consumption of Fulani cows and the use of it in Igbo land for ceremonies or during festival season. The recent security challenges in southeast Nigeria are created by killer headsmen masquerading as cattlemen to perpetuate heinous onslaught against our local community. The enforcement of the ban on consumption of Fulani cattle should be a protest against unhealthy and disease-infested cows being sold to Ndibo. He noted, I'll take that again, he said that the enforcement of the ban on consumption of Fulani cattle should be a protest against unhealthy and disease-infested cows being sold to Ndibos. Wow. Now, there's something about Ohaneze Ndibo, which I'll just want to say something about it. Now, we have two Ohaneze Ndibo. When I say fortunately or unfortunately, we have two. And the one is Chidibe, late Ohaneze Ndibo, and we also have the one which the state government and call it also the federal government recognize, which is Professor George Obiozo, late Ohaneze Ndibo. Now, the person who is talking right now is actually of Chidi Ibe Ohaneze Ndibo, It's quite funny. I've never seen this in any way. Arewa is one, Afenifeni Feriferi is one, and all of that. I'm shocked that that of Hares and Igbo is two. And right now they have spoken and tried to see how they can kind of intervene in this issue. Now, there are some points that they have listed, which a lot of people have reacted to it. And that point is that by banning the singing of national anthem in all the schools in the Southeast is a way of reawakening the invasion of Southeast by the military. And they will have to go from school to school. And according to him, he said it will result to bringing down of a lot of people and will cause the invitation to be extended again to the military for Tucano, jets fighters to invade the Southeast, which is not good enough for the people of Southeast. It would even increase the tension in the Southeast. That particular statement has triggered a lot of reaction, though they have, in the other hand, supported what the issue of ban on Fulani cows. According to him, he said sometimes they bring diseased cows, to sell to Ndibos and all of that. But then I like to look at some of the comments coming in from Nigerians in respect to the issue of ban of the national anthem in the Igbo-speaking part of Nigeria. All right, and the first person in the list here say, this thing will cause another big wahala for Ndibos. 2022 has come. Why don't you people want us to have rest in the Southeast? Every day you stay in your closet and say things that will awaken the federal government to come in and cause some of the innocent people to fall prey to this invasion. I don't tire. Another person here says, they should come by themselves and do it. They should move from schools to school to begin to teach Biafra national anthem and see how they will be able to stand the military when they come. Another person here says, this is not just the right way to go about it. I suggest that they support Igbo Presidency, and after the Igbo Presidency, there might be hope for Biafra to be a reality. If you go this way, it will result to loss of more lives, which is not good enough for our people. Another person here say, this one is serious wahala again. The year has started. Before we know, the whole Southeast will be filled with military, and we are the ones using our hands to invite them. Another person here says, why don't we adopt the style of the Southwesterners? They are going about it very legally without having to break ages. Our own, every day we do things that will awaken the bitterness of the government towards us. Nobody can fight government. Even Spartacus couldn't fight the government of Rome despite his strength. Another one here says, this issue of inviting military is uncalled for. I advise that they call these guys to round table and do the needful. Whoa, another person here says, this is not the best way to get attention of the federal government. The ideal thing to do is to continue with the civil disobedience of sitting back at home. With this, nobody is going to be hurt. By stopping the singing of national anthem, you are trying to awaken anger that you won't be able to control. Whether you like it or not, we are still Nigeria until when everything is resolved. So many reactions are coming in. A lot of people are talking, but I'd like to leave it there. What's your viewpoint to this issue of ban on national anthem in schools and also ban on Fulani cows? Let's interact in our comment section.